Well, hello and welcome to another V's Cards video. My name is mvcuic and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And in this short video, I'm going to show you a quick way of how to make the inside part of your card pop. A really quick technique you can use for all sorts of cards with different shapes and sizes. Okay, without further ado, let's get cracking. Now I've made this card for a friend. I got to finally use the slimline envelopes that I purchased quite some time ago, and I needed a decent sized card. I wanted to have a pop-up and plenty of room for others to write in, so I thought I'd show you that quick show and tell of a recent project. Now the papers are all from Stampin' Up. I've also used other products which I've purchased prior to being a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Here is a close-up of the mechanism that I used inside the card, and you can change its size depending upon the card that you have. For this mechanism, you're going to need a paper trimmer and a card that's going to blend in with the card base. I'm just using some scrap paper to show you the example. And it needs to be square and neat and tidy, and then you're basically going to find the centre of that and score a line in the centre of that short card. It's obviously going to be a lot shorter than your card. Then using a bone folder, you're going to reinforce your score lines. I'm eyeballing the centre of this strip and I'm going to cut 2 slits, which is going to create an inside part of my pop-up. Then I'm going to bend it and press down one way, turn it over and bend it the other way, reinforcing that crease line both ways. Then you can open it up and pop up the insides in the opposite direction to create a type of square in the middle. And finally, add your feature piece onto the pop-up section. Next, I'm going to quickly show you how to adhere this little mechanism inside of your card. You can give the mechanism a trim on the outside so that it's not covering a lot of space on the inside. So I'm using a thickness of a tear and tape or something a little bit thicker than the tear and tape width. And then I'm going to adhere tear and tape on the border at the back of the pop-up section. I'm using my Take Your Pick tool to remove the backing of the tape. Then I'm going to fold the mechanism and line it up with the score line, not on the score line, just close to it, and then fold up the card so that it is glued in the right spot. This video is now coming to an end. Thank you so much for watching. Please take a moment to like it and share it with your friends. I invite you to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Thanks again, and please send me a comment in the comment section. I'd love to know where you're from and how I've inspired you. Thanks again. Until the next video, take care and happy crafting.